Hi everyone, I had received a package from beadpark.com, so we are going to be doing a video today showcasing their items. So I have them right here. So this is what we are going to be working with today. Look at these beautiful pastel charms, so stinking cute. So we have those from them. And then let me just show you some of the other stuff that they had sent me. We have these cute little ghosties. We have these white ghosties. These ghosties with a pumpkin. We have pumpkin kitty right here. We have our witch's hat. Here's our little ghosties that we're going to use right now. There's a little bag of charms right here. And then these are like the showstoppers right here. I'm absolutely in love with these right here. Look at these little jack-o'-lantern glass beads, and then our little jack-o'-lantern beads right here. This string of beads, there were so many of these beads right here, and I want to say it was like $1 for the string of beads. I highly recommend buying those. They are so stinking cute. You can see here's my little bag right here. So let's get together and we are going to put a Pokey tool together. So here we have our little charms from them, and we have a couple of beads, and I have my little jump rings right here. So let me grab some chain and let's go ahead and make this into a charm. Okay, so I have my chain right here. So we are going to go ahead and attach a jump ring to the very top one, because that is what we are going to be connecting to the Pokey tool. I have it set up right here. So we're going to be making a little dangle right here using the Bead Park charms and beads. So we're going to just go ahead and close that off by twisting it together. Then we're going to go ahead and figure out what we want our main dangle piece to be. So I'm going to say we're going to go with the purple pumpkin right here. Look at how cute their charm is. It has glitter in there and the little stars. It's so pretty, so pastel. So we're going to go ahead and attach this with a jump ring. This is going to be our main piece at the bottom, like that. So you're just going to go ahead and twist your jump ring close like that. And let's go ahead and start adding some beads. So I'm going to take one of these smaller beads to attach at the top. So let's go ahead and attach these. And let's just put this to here. I'm going to put this at the top right there. And then we're going to go ahead and close our jump ring. And then let's see. Let's take the ghost next. So this is one of their beautiful charms right here. This is beautiful purple pastel ghost. Look how pretty that is, and it has like a pearl shine to it in there. Really gorgeous. So we are going to go ahead and attach the ghost one link down, and we are going to attach it to the opposite side of where we put our bead right there. Go ahead and close that off. So now our charm looks like this. And let's see. Trying to get this to lay straight. There we go. So that's what we have so far. So let's go ahead. I think I'm going to put this big charm next. So here's this pretty charm. Look at that bead, so pretty. And going to go one link down and to the opposite side right there. I'm going to go ahead and close this off. And let's see, we have another bead here. Let's go ahead and put this bead on. Again, we're going to go one link down into the opposite side of where we attached our last one. There we go. And then now I'm going to attach my other charm right here. Again, look at how gorgeous that is. There's glitter in there. There's the little stars. Super, super cute. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go one link down into the opposite side. And close this one up. So let's see, here is what we have so far. Really cute, and we're going to add the rest of our beads on here. So we're going to take this circle bead right here. And let's see, one link down, opposite side. Close this one off. And let me get a couple more jump rings out. Let's see, we'll do this round pink one. You know what, I'm going to change it. I'm not going to include that one, and we'll do this pearl one for the last one. Because I don't want any of my beads to cover the purple pumpkin at the bottom. I still want that one to be able to stand and shine. So we'll attach this one here. Again, one link down to the opposite side of the last charm that we added. And let's find the top of our charm here. So here is our completed chunky charm right there. And now we're going to go ahead and we are going to attach this to our pokey tool. So we're just going to go ahead and reopen this jump ring. You want to twist the jump ring apart. You don't want to pull apart. You want to twist it apart so you can keep your round shape. Then we're just going to go ahead and attach it to this pokey tool. And there we go. Look at how cute that looks. I love the sound that it makes with all those little charms. So here is our charm using their products. Look at how cute that came out. I think that came out great. Beautiful and pastel. And then here we have our pokey tool. Really, really cute. I love it. I don't know, I kind of feel like since I have orange over here, I probably should have put orange in here as well. Let's see what we can add, because we have maybe an orange kitty. Or should we do one of these? Let's see. Let's add, I don't know if these are too big. Yeah, see, that's gonna be like too big and overpowering. Nope, I think we'll leave it as it is. Or maybe we'll add, let's go ahead and add one of these. That's fine. Because I want to bring orange into the charm as well. So again, this is one of their beads. And let's see, where do we want to add this? Maybe towards the top. So what if we do it up here? Is that too close to the other orange bead? No, let's do this in the middle. Let's see. Let's go right in the middle. And that way we can have some orange in here as well. I think that'd be pretty to kind of just tie everything together. Okay, see, I like that because we have orange in the Poke Tool. I definitely wanted to bring orange into our little dangle. So that is our completed project, you guys. I will link their website down below, and I'll link all these products down below as well, so you could go ahead and go check them out. Hope you guys are having a fabulous day, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.